in for Flirting with Flavors. And I'm here today with my good friend, Chef Mark Strausman from Fred's at Barneys New York. Love your new cookbook.
Well, thank you. Yeah, it's my, 23 years of working there, and it's like a memoir and recipes.
So today I'm making a recipe from the cookbook. One of my favorite recipes ever, spaghetti with baby clams.
Spaghetti alla vongole.
Alla vongole.
Alla vongole.
Yeah. All right, Mark, let's get this show started.
All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how we smash the garlic, right?
Can I try it?
Sure.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Just with the back of your hand,
The
right?
more garlic, the better.
Uh-huh.
If somebody wants it, they can eat it. If not, they can move it away, but it actually flavors the oil, because that's the most important thing. And then we're gonna put in the oil. And most people get a little nervous is because they think we're being a little too generous, but
So you're really coating the bottom of the pan
Exactly.
with oil here.
Exactly. Then we're gonna take the garlic and we're gonna put it in.
Okay. Ooh, we got some boiling water
Why
here.
don't you take the
lid
lid
off
the
pot.
top, and then we're gonna do the pasta. Okay. So a nice little handful like that. Okay.
Right. And
but
dried pasta.
first we forgot. You don't put
And
it,
salt
if
the
you
water.
don't put any salt in the water, the pasta will not have any flavor. See, even the water just like that. Got to keep the water happy. All right,
Yep.
and then there we go.
Okay. There goes our pasta.
Now I think you might want to cover that up. Oh, it smells great.
Yes,
And then we're starting to get
incredible.
brown. You see, that's the
Yep,
color
I
we're
can
looking
see
for.
It's getting nice and golden brown.
But right now, if I don't take it off, it's still cooking. Look how beautifully golden brown. That's the key. People around, smell that. Just
I
smell
know.
it. It's intoxicating,
It
right?
is so wonderful.
We like intoxication. It's one of our favorite things. So
Me too.
we are going to have these beautiful coggles from New Zealand. This time of year, they're the best ones to use. They kind of our version of Vongole veraci, which are
And
very
they're
impossible.
small and they're very tender.
Fine. Yep.
Right?
And we are just going to put them in.
Woo!
And cover it for 1 second. All right? And we're going to take a little bit of white wine.
Right. Pour that
Whoops.
in.
And then my secret, which is just a little touch of
love
tomato. Just a little touch of tomato. Again, just a touch.
Okay.
Now, I don't salt this because the clams are from the sea and sometimes they're very salty.
Right, I didn't salt it the other night.
Right.
You didn't need it. So Mark, we're gonna garnish this with some parsley.
Well, yeah, we're gonna get the chopped parsley ready because then after that we're gonna put, before we do that, we're gonna put in this little crushed red pepper. And again, if people don't like it spicy, that's fine, so they don't have to put it in. The Italians like everything natural. They want the true flavor. If you're gonna have parsley in, you wanna be able to taste it. So in Italy,
Just a little chop.
just a little, that's it. I mean, really, not a lot. All right, well, let's take a look at the pasta, see how that's going.
Alrighty.
And then let's take a look at the clams, which, ooh, they're going.
Show
Look
that.
at that, look at that, ooh. So now, I like it spicy. Do you like it spicy?
I like it medium spicy.
Medium spicy.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a little spicy,
Oh, you can do a
a
little
little more
than that.
spicy.
Yeah.
We're gonna do medium spicy.
Okay.
You know
Spice
what?
it up.
I'll leave in a little more. We gotta add a little spice to the life. And then,
That's what
it's
I
a really
say.
simple way of doing the parsley, okay? Boom, that's it.
That's
It's
easy.
country cooking, even though it's by the sea. Now here's another little trick, is just take a little bit of the pasta water and put it in,
Right.
okay? Like if your sauce gets too thick, use pasta water. Don't use chicken stock, don't use regular water.
Right.
Because the starch in the pasta is in the water. And now we're ready to
Ah,
pop it right in.
okay.
There you go.
Here we go.
This is a true Italian dish. It's not where you would put the pasta on the plate and then actually put the sauce on it. You want to really cook it in there, okay?
Right.
You see the way we're cooking it in?
Yeah. That looks delicious.
So we're ready to serve it. Here we go.
Right into the dish.
It's really beautiful.
Ah, this looks incredible. I can't wait to eat this.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
Are you ready?
I am.
Here we go. I I feel like I'm in Capri.
Exactly.
A toast to you. A toast to you. Okay, let me try this.
Go for it. See, you gotta learn how to do it like that. See?
Right, twirl it.
Keep it up.
We gotta
Keep it
twirl
up.
it, baby, twirl
Keep
it.
it up. Keep it up. See?
Uh-huh.
Then you go like that.
See,
You know,
he's
if you
even
use this-
teaching me how to eat.
If you use a spoon in Italy, they throw you out of the
I
country.
know. If you put Parmesan on this, they would definitely throw you out of the country.
I agree. All right.
I'm ready.
Let's do it. Wow.
It's perfectly flavored. It's a little spicy.
Exactly.
It's delicious. And these,
And my favorite thing is to do this.
me too. That's so good.
Excellent. Wow. What a great dish.
Thank you for being with me today. It was wonderful as always. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Flirting with Flavors. Follow us on Instagram @PamFlavors and Flirting with Flavors. And follow us on Facebook. Buon appetito.